Hello and welcome in. With this video, I'm going to give away one of the money attracting incense that you can make at home and burn at home. You can use it during this festive time, not only to up your money energies, but to cleanse your home and make it conducive to attract more money energies for you. So here it goes. All you need is one bay leaf, some ghee, and cinnamon powder. All you need to do here is apply some ghee on to your bay leaf. If you don't have ghee, you can use some sesame oil. Once you've applied and greased your bay leaf with ghee, sprinkle some cinnamon powder on top of it. And you need to burn this. When you burn it, it might get little diffused and it will let out some fragrant smoke, which is going to be having very beautiful woody and spicy fragrance to it. Let it fill your room. You can do it in every room, or you can let the smoke go into your whole home. This might need to be lit again and again because it might just get diffused in the whole process. That does not matter if it gets diffused. Light it again and let the smoke out. So this is one of the money attraction tips I'm giving away to you to attract more money energies. Please let me know how did you find it and how did it work out for you, and I will always come back to you with more of them. If you wanted to learn how to attract more money energies into your life, we have a lot of workshops for you and you can choose one of them. Hi, this is Siddhii from Yana's Healing Studio, and I keep coming up with effective remedies that help you, your family members, your friends to up your vibrations and be more abundant in life. You can join my Telegram group and my activities group, the link to which will be given with the description here. If you like this video, please subscribe to our channel and do not forget to share it with your friends and click on the bell icon. Thank you.